it's Gloria, Cheap Yummy Shiny. Today I'm showing you something I found on the web. I saw it on the internet. This specifically I saw on May and Balak's YouTube channel, and she had a coupon code, a discount code for stuff. So Grove Collaborative, it's basically, it says here, creating healthier, more beautiful homes all across the country. And it looks like they've got a lot of home cleaning things and home care and a lot of different stuff. I'll put the link below. So she had a coupon code that if you spend a certain amount of money, they give you a bunch of stuff free to try out. And their cleaning products are interesting. I found them intriguing. I'm going to put this giant box on this chair down here so I can put what I'm pulling out of it here. I apologize for it wiggling around now and then. This work table in my kitchen, it needs more stabilization. I need to basically just build another shelf underneath it to keep it still because it's very tall considering, and the little stabilizer bar around it isn't big enough. So it tends to move. I apologize. Hence another reason why I'm putting the box on a chair as opposed to on the table, so I can avoid moving the camera around too much. First up, I got the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. It says, I'm a tough scrubber with a soft touch. It comes with, it's a pack of 2, by the way. So I tried to avoid like just the regular sponges that you buy at the store, because a lot of them are like plastic or something, and they don't biodegrade. So apparently this is not abrasive, and you can use it on cookware, glassware, countertops, and appliances. And you can put it in the dishwasher, which I don't have. Another scrubber pad. Another scrubber pad. This one's coconut scouring pad, and it's made from coconut shells and recycled fibers. It's biodegradable scour. Scrubs without scratching. Getting down into the nuts and bolts of this here box. Okay, I also got a microfiber all-purpose cloth in periwinkle blue, a 2-pack. And again, I prefer using stuff like this over paper towels unless it's something really gross or super stains or messy, in which case, you know, then of course I'll use a paper towel. But got that, and it's got 2 sides, so it's got like the little rough side that we're all used to, and then it's got this nice soft plush side. Nice. Okay, what else do we have in here? I've got a refill, a gel dish soap, and I get a refill because I have a bottle that a glass bottle that I painted and I use. This is what I use for my dish soap. I painted this like 20 some odd years ago, and I still lived in Texas. This is a Johnny Walker bottle, I believe. And then I found this on, I bought this on the internet. So it's got a really long tube, and then I can just pump it so I don't have to, because for years I was picking it up and I had a pourer on the end of it, like a bar pourer. But I was like, one of these days I'm going to drop it. So I got the little pump, and it's so much easier, and I just leave it there, and it's prettier, and I reuse it, and I've been reusing and recycling for many years now. So I got their gel dish soap refill. So this is a lot better than plastic bottles. I know for sure I got these free because I wouldn't have looked at them otherwise. It was a really good idea of theirs to offer this for free, so you try their products. This is their brand, again, like the rest of the stuff. It's the all-purpose cleaner, orange and rosemary. These are concentrates. Has no chemicals, colorants, and synthetic fragrances. That's cool. What is that in there? Paper, sticker, I don't know. Is there some trick to this that I'm not getting? I don't know. All right, so this is their tub and tile cleaner. So each of these tubes you put into 16 ounces of water to clean with. Very cool. So this is the tub and tile cleaner. And then I've got the glass cleaner, and these are all orange and rosemary, which is amazing. I like using naturally based scents. I know. They can sometimes bother people, but they don't tend to bother me. So, yay. What else do we have in here? Oh, cool. I was looking for this, the Ultra Absorbent European dish cloth. I get these sometimes if I can find them over at Trader Joe's. I do like these. These absorb a lot, and you just throw them in the washer. So I use these for dishes, for the counters, and they dry stiff, kind of like a really thin sponge. So it's kind of like a sponge cloth, I suppose. All right. Wow. Seriously, this is so much. 100% organic unbleached cheesecloth. Ah, these are good. I love having cheesecloths around. You can use it for cleaning. It says you can hand wash and reuse it up to 5 times. And you also use it for like different cooking things. So in case you don't know what a cheesecloth is, you use it to make cheese because you use it to strain things. And occasionally I need a cloth to strain with, and it looks like you just cut whatever piece you want off, and there you have it. And this is 2 square yards. Nice. It's oven safe up to 400 degrees and microwave safe. Seriously, if you cook a lot, having cheesecloth, much like parchment paper, very important. Oh, this is cool. I know I got this for free. This is a stoneware tray. It's good for keeping your sink stylish and organized for your favorite soaps and lotions in the kitchen or bath. This might actually go in the bathroom. We'll see. But I got this one for free as well. It's got their name on there, but that's okay. It was free. It's pretty. Yeah, this does look nice. I actually have a little box that I found at IKEA, a little wooden bamboo box that I use to put my kitchen things in. I don't know. This might get switched out. We'll find out. Okay, so there's that. And there's more. There's the 16-ounce spray bottle. I know I got this free. Again, so I can use the concentrates. It'd be nice if I took off the sticker. Yeah, it says most cleaning products are 95% water. Fill this beautiful reusable spray bottle with any of our ultra effective cleaning concentrates for reduced waste and serious cleaning power. And I love the fact that they're glass. I really do. It's really pretty. It's got the little rubber cover on it. It's got a little spray design. I don't know if you can see that. That's cute. Very cute. So I'll just, yeah. I don't know which one I want to use first. Very nice. I like the idea of the concentrates. That's really smart. Did I get a second one? Yes, I did. I got a second one. What color is this? Does it say? No. It doesn't say what color. I guess it's sort of like whichever one I got is the one that I got. Oh, another yellow one. So, cool. I got 2 of them. So now I can use 2 of the spray concentrates. Anyone who knows me personally knows that this sort of thing just makes me so happy. I love the reusable things. Even my dish scrubbers are reusable. I bought them, I think I bought them at Bed Bath & Beyond, actually. And you just throw them in the washer. They've got a scrubby side and then like the cloth side, and you just throw them in the washer. So I just throw them in with my towels. All right, we have ultra absorbent paper towels, 100% sustainable bamboo and sugarcane. So I started actually buying non-tree paper products that are more sustainable, and they're not a lot more expensive, and I think they work great. And I actually like them better. I think they're sturdier. So this is ready for harvesting. Bamboo is ready for harvesting in as little as 3 months, while trees take 20 plus years. Makes sense. Bamboo, hello. Bamboo absorbs 5 times as much CO2 as trees. No pesticides were used in growing the bamboo, and the sugarcane is a byproduct of sugar manufacturing upcycled to make this product. This variety of bamboo is not a source of food for panda bears, in case you're worried about taking away their dinner, and it's safe for all septic systems. Cool. So this is, again, Seedling by Grove. Another Grove Collaborative product. I like their stuff so far. And then I got the toilet paper, the Ultra Soft Bath Tissue. And again, it's 100% sustainable bamboo and sugarcane. So again, tree-free paper products. You should look at them. They're all over the place, a lot easier to find. And the more people use stuff like this, the more likely it is that the big companies will start going in that direction instead of using tree paper, which I understand a lot. You can get the recycled stuff, but that could be recycled for something different that can be recycled again and again and again. You use it as toilet paper or tissue paper or paper towels, you're not going to reuse that again. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I believe that is all. That is all. And Annie, with 2 E's, is my Grove Collaborative person, guru, whatever they call them. They give you a little card. Cute. Healthy and beautiful home. Yeah, so they call her Grove Guide. So it's somebody who, and it tells you where she's like, she lives in the Soma area of San Francisco, and she likes hiking, cooking, and reading. And it's got a number you can text, her email address of the company. That's actually really nice because that way you're dealing with the same person every time that you get in touch with the company and you're not like some random rando. That's cool. I think I'll be reordering from them again. This is awesome. So again, let's see, I want to say because of the coupon code that I got on Mayim Bialik. I always mispronounce her name. Sorry. You can mispronounce mine. I want to say that I got most of this free. I mean, I got the paper products for sure, the sponge, one of the scrubbers I got for free, at least one of the bottles I got for free. Yeah, I didn't pay for all that much. I want to say that I probably paid $25 total for all of this. I'll put the number up here for you so you know how much I paid. So if you are interested, you should probably go to Mayim's YouTube channel. I'll link her below too in case you don't know who she is. Really? And hopefully that coupon code is still active and you can use it and get this really great deal. Anyway, so I saw it on the internet and I bought it and I'm showing it to you. Thank you so much. Enjoy Thanksgiving. Bye.